Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you some general idea on Ubuntu 14 version 14 LTS desktop version. So I got this one installed in my old laptop. Old desktop is a HP 5700. So installation giving me no problem after I boot it up. So here is the interface. So you can look at this taskbar. It's similar to Windows taskbar. So it's easy to switch over for the time calendar users. And now this is we call it application bar. So this bar you list your all applications. To myself, is more likely Mac Mac iOS application dock. So the first icon similar to those start menu, and actually it's a search button. So once you enter here, you can search everything in the computer and the keyword on the net. This is a good thing. So it's kind of a universal search area. You can search whatever. For example, you search users, remote desktop, weather, everything you can search from one line. Yeah, it's pretty convenient to user. Yeah, I like this feature. So you search weather, then you got the online search result as well. Okay. Yeah, look at you got the weather result. Okay, and so yeah, you can search calendar. Okay, so next icon is a file manager icon. So this one is very similar to those Windows file manager, and in the file manager you can see the some preset folders like documents, downloads, music, picture. So yeah, people has no problem to browsing those folders, and also you can click computer, then you got all your folders. Okay. Yeah, and to operate a folder or a file, it's pretty straightforward. It supports the right mouse click and bring up your quick menu. The quick menu allow you to manage the folder or files like rename, copy, cut, paste. Yeah, people shouldn't have any issue with those if they has been used Windows or iOS. Yeah. Okay. After the search bar and the file manager, there's a couple built-in applications already installed. For example, I have set up an email, Mozilla Thunderbird. This is a very popular email application in open source world. So I don't have any trouble to set up the email account in this client. So this application is very mature and easy to use. Okay, so and the next is a browser. So the built-in browser is Firefox. So it's a very popular browser. It supports the most popular website, for example, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. All the web application website is easy to use here. So like YouTube, you can easily to browsing any video. Yeah, it's running very smoothly, and yeah, you can type any web address. So all the web should be very I also tried some other website in other language. For example, I tried those Chinese website. Yeah, it's displayed without any issue. Believe similar to other languages. Okay, so browsing is nice and no issue at all. And another popular application is LibreOffice. So LibreOffice is a replacement application for Microsoft Office. So in LibreOffice, actually you can open, edit the document from Microsoft Word or Excel, PowerPoint. So it's a compatible application. Yeah, I would say when you use it to draft your document, for example, your article, your resume, or whatever the, the document you want, this is would be sufficient for you for daily office use. So interface, this is the interface for the document. I'm going to open a Word document produced by Microsoft Word. So opening this file without any issue, no complaint, and I can edit this document. Yeah, and you can save as the Microsoft Word format as well. And the next application is it's called Calculate. So it's similar to Microsoft Excel. So this one is pretty powerful. You can have all those formula as well, same as Excel, and other functions. Okay, another application similar to Microsoft PowerPoint is called LibreOffice Impress. So you can do your presentation here. So those are some built-in applications in Ubuntu, and another great feature is this Ubuntu got those software center, so similar to the App Store in Apple. So I did found a couple popular application in this software center, so very easy to install it. You can search your application you want. And the next icon is system settings. So this gives you the ability to change settings in the system. Okay. Another one is installed by myself. I installed Skype from Skype website. So seems running well, and I can make phone calls, and also I can change all the settings similar in Windows. And I also installed a couple other applications. One great application, the building one I found is another remote desktop. So remote desktop client allows you to connect to Windows desktop, so in case you need to see the Windows. So if you search here remote desktop, you will find the client. Okay. Yeah, I also installed a couple more applications. I will let you know the result during the testing of a couple applications in summary page. Okay. I also installed TeamViewer here, and it's working well. Also, I tried those keyboard for another language. I tried the input keyboard input for Chinese. You can switch users as well, like Windows. Okay. So here's my testing result, beginning with the success. So installation on my old desktop PC with success, no hassle at all, and the hardware recognizing is pretty working well. All my hardware, including those printer, camera, keyboard, and video card, audio card, is all recognized by the Ubuntu, so it's pretty nice. And a couple popular applications, for example, those Office, LibreOffice, TeamViewer, Skype, Thunderbird, Firefox, Dropbox, and media player, remote desktop. They are all success and running without any hassle. Okay. Yeah, however, I did find some issues or failed applications. So one, when I use my Microsoft USB Live camera as a microphone configured in the system, I found a couple applications failed. For example, Skype cannot establish the calls, the voice calls, and the other one is the not remote, sorry, the record my desktop application couldn't working. So this is one issue. But when I switch the input from Microsoft camera to another like analog microphone, then it's working well. Okay, and the second one, I tried to install my favorite input keyboard, but for my language, but it's failed. I don't have any clue how get it work. And some other application, for example, one video application, PBS stream, I couldn't get it installed. Another one, XBMC, this is another video application. I tried to install it and it's installed, but when I try to play a channel or add-on or a video, it's just freeze. So not sure what's going on. And another one, when I open YouTube website, it's asking me I have an option to install YouTube apps. So I did that, and unfortunately in YouTube apps I couldn't play any video. So not sure what's wrong. And another one, I'm trying to find a camera application, and installed one from Software Center, but unfortunately that one cannot record the video. So those are the issue I did face on, and no clue how to get it done. So generally speaking, I like the Ubuntu's interface, and Software Center is a very handy one to get the applications, and it's built in Mac. So LibreOffice is compatible with Microsoft Office. It's a nice one we have, and the email client and the browser is very uh, stable as well. And another good feature that universal search give me very good result. So I like that one. And I did test some application that you see in my video. A lot of them is working well, so it's good. And during the installation, it's very easy. I put it from the DVD and install it, and it recognizes all my hardwares. That's nice. And it's also support different languages. I can add my input keyboard to enter my language as well. That's a nice one thing. Yes, I did find some features can be improved. Like in general, I found it seems slower than Windows 7. Even I didn't compile it one by one, but it's just my personal feeling. So another one is we might need more features, the built-in features. For example, like a cell phone, you can share your document, photo, video direct to Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube. So give people the easy way to share everything. Okay, and another one, we might need some built-in applications. For example, very basic one: camera, sound recorder, calendar, similar to that. Okay, and I did find some applications, especially the applications in my language, without any success. So probably it's those applications are too old. So hopefully they can catch up in recent future.